As dawn breaks, a warm glow envelops a tranquil neighborhood, awakening the world with the gentle melodies of chirping birds. The birds herald the dawn, their songs weaving through the awakening neighborhood. Gopu stirs from his slumber, a smile gracing his lips as the morning light spills into his room. Energy surges through Gopu as he stretches, ready to embrace the day. Gopu sits up, his eyes sparkling with anticipation for the adventures ahead. Morning light floods the kitchen as Gopu enters, his face full of cheer. Amma stands at the stove, her silhouette a familiar comfort as she busies herself preparing breakfast. Gopu's voice rings out, breaking the morning stillness. "Good morning, Amma." Gopu begins his morning routine, brushing away the remnants of sleep with brisk, efficient movements. He splashes water on his face, awakening his senses. He looks at his own reflection and smiles confidently. Gopu carefully folds his blanket, preparing to face the day. Gopu declares, "I'm ready to start my day." Bathed in soft morning light, Gopu sits at the breakfast table, awaiting Amma's comforting presence. Amma gently places a plate of fluffy idyllis and colorful fruits before Gopu, filling the air with a comforting aroma. Gratitude sparkles in Gopu's eyes as he exclaims, "Thank you, Amma." Gopu eats, savoring each bite with a look of pure joy. "Yum! This gives me energy to learn and play!" Gopu exclaims, his face lighting up with enthusiasm. In the soft morning light, Gopu dresses with meticulous care, each movement precise. He makes sure his shoes are properly laced. Bag slung over his shoulder, he approaches the mirror, his eyes seeking reassurance. With a final, critical eye, he adjusts his collar and smooths his hair, ensuring every detail is perfect. Gopu waves goodbye to his parents, his voice filled with youthful cheer. "See you later!" In the classroom, Gopu listens intently to the teacher, absorbing every word. Gopu raises his hand, eager to clarify a point, his face animated with curiosity. With kindness, Gopu helps his friends, his gentle guidance lighting up their faces with understanding. Gopu returns from school, stepping into the familiar embrace of home. He washes away the day's weariness, preparing to greet Amma. A bright smile lights up Gopu's face as he turns towards Amma. Gopu sits at the kitchen table, happily munching on a snack. Sunlight illuminates dust motes as Gopu recounts his school day to Amma, his words tumbling out. "And then, Amma, Mr. Sharma showed us how volcanoes erupt. It was so cool. Ria and I built the tallest tower in class today. It almost touched the ceiling." Amma listens attentively, responding with warmth. "That sounds like a very busy day, Gopu. I'm glad you're learning so much." Gopu spends a lovely evening with his friends at the park. Gopu says, "Please." Gopu says, "Thank you." Gopu sits at his desk, completing his homework with unwavering focus. He then immerses himself in a storybook, finding joy in the narrative. "Reading is fun," Gopu exclaims, his face lighting up with excitement. Under the soft glow of the dining room light, Gopu eats his dinner without wasting any food. With heartfelt sincerity, Gopu expresses his gratitude to his parents. He carefully cleans his plate, a testament to his appreciation and respect. Gopu stands before the bathroom mirror, lost in his ritual, brushing his teeth with unwavering focus. He rinses, then strides out of the bathroom, ready to bid goodnight. "Good night," Gopu whispers, embracing his parents before retreating to his room. He drifts into sleep, his imagination taking flight among stars, rockets, and dinosaurs.